Hi, this is Kelly from WP Plugin Coach, and today I'm going to show you how to update your WordPress plugins. First of all, how do you know you have plugins to update? Well, you can see it right here where I have a little red circle and the number 6 next to my plugins. That means there are some plugins that need to be updated. Also, up here in your top bar, if you're logged into your website, you will see how many updates there are to do. Now, this includes WordPress updates, plugin updates, and theme updates. You can update plugins in either of these places. If I click here on the updates, you'll see that there is an entire list here. Now, you can select one and hit update plugins. This takes a little bit more time. There's actually a more convenient way to do this that I'll show you in a second. Before I do though, I want to warn you, don't ever select all and update plugins. This rarely, but possibly can create conflicts in your website. If two plugins are trying to update the same file at the same time, you could crash your site. Like I said, it's rare that it happens these days. It used to happen a lot. Our authors have gotten much better at it, but please do not update all plugins at once. Do them one at a time. So the easiest place to update your plugins is over here at plugins. You can see with this one, advanced ads, says there is a new version, update now. If this is a plugin that is critical to your site, if it's an e-commerce plugin, something that takes payments, anything that's super important or huge that runs your site, you may want to click and view the details to see what kind of updates are there. Sometimes you may not want to update. So here we can see that there's a few things. They fixed some issues, not a whole lot of updates there. So we're okay to go ahead and update this plugin. I'm just going to click update now. You're going to see the little arrow spinning and it's updated. And then we'll scroll down and do the next one. And again, you want to do these one at a time. Don't do these all at once. I know it's tempting to just want to go click, click, click and do them all. But wait till one is done before you update the other, just to be extra safe. And that is how you update plugins. Now, once you get them all done, you'll see that my number here, once you get them all done, you'll see that my number here will drop off. And now all of my plugins are updated and I am ready to go. Thanks for watching and stop back for more WordPress knowledge from WP Plugin Coach.